So right now we are going to play the activity called Symon Says. In this activity, if Symon says something, you need to follow, otherwise not. You will be out if you don't follow. Okay. So guys, Symon says stand up properly. Symon says sit down. Symon says stand up. Symon says touch your eye. Symon says touch your hair. Symon says touch your stomach. Symon says touch your thigh. Touch your knee. Out Sania and Alia. So Symon did not say. come outside. Next round you will come. Okay, these people are left. Symon says touch your lips. Symon says touch your neck. Symon says touch your toe. पैर का अंगूठा. Symon says touch your knees. Symon says touch your stomach. Touch your cheek. Out. Symon says touch yellow color. Symon says touch blue color. Symon says touch white color. Touch black color. Out eyelash. Come. Okay, these two people are left. So Symon says sit down. Symon says stand up. Symon says hug each other. Symon says remove. Symon says laugh. Symon says stop. Touch your stomach. Ow. You were going. Let's clap for Kulsum guys. Okay. So this is round 2. Let's start it again. Symon says touch your lips. Symon says touch your nose. Symon says touch your stomach. Sit down. You two are out because you were going to sit down, I think. B-side. Okay. Symon says touch blue color. Okay. Symon says sit down. Soram, you are out. Yeah. Like last, yes. Because you were following Aisha. Symon says stand up. Symon says touch your stomach. Symon says touch your knees. Touch your toes. Touch your stomach. Touch your stomach, guys. Okay. Symon says touch your hair. Symon says touch your lips. Symon says touch your nose. Symon says touch your eyes. Touch your forehead. Okay. Symon says shake hand with your partner. Ali, you can shake with me. Okay. Symon says touch white color. Symon says touch blue color. Symon says touch pink color. Touch black color. Sania, you are out, and Alia, you are out. Sania, come. You were touching na? Yeah, so that was. Symon says smile. Symon says be sad. Symon says touch your hair. Symon says touch your toes. I will teach you in this video only. Symon says touch your lips. Stand up properly. Symon says stand up properly. Sit down. Symon says touch blue color. Symon says touch white color. Touch black color. Symon says shake your hands. Symon says touch your neck. Touch your lips. Symon says touch your lips. Symon says touch your nose. Symon says touch your forehead. Touch your hair. You are very smart, guys. Okay. Symon says come forward. Symon says yes. Symon says go backward. Symon says sit down. Stand up. Okay, these three are winners. I cannot make them.